now has heard of the new social media platform, TikTok. It's been blowing up for quite some time right now, and everyone be chasing the TikTok clout and the TikTok fame, especially while in quarantine. TikTok is great for entertainment purposes, and they've done a fantastic job of keeping the user engaged for the longest amount of time. And for any one of you guys that have been on TikTok, you know how addicting it can get. Once you're in it, it's very hard to get out of it. And TikTok right now is probably the easiest platform to gain a substantial amount of followers and subscribers and growth than any platform right now at the given moment, and can be compared to the early stages of Instagram. So I asked myself a question: can we as dropshippers profit from TikTok via influencers or paid promotions? And that's what I wanted to find out. So I hopped onto AliExpress to find and figure out which products are the best products to sell on TikTok. And here are some ideas that I have. Given the current situation, we obviously have to tailor the products to not only TikTok, but the whole quarantine situation everyone is facing. So what are the main issues everyone is currently facing? Number one, they're either completely bored or they just don't know what to do. So obviously they're on TikTok and they're looking for different entertainment purposes. So number one, the entertainment niche. Definitely a good option, but I did not find any products that would fit these criteria, and I really was comfortable with selling. Number two, anxiety. This situation is very troublesome and they worry a lot, especially financially. They don't know when it's going to pass. And many products such as stress relieving products such as a weighted blanket or other massage type devices could be a viable option to promote via TikTok, but also not my winner. A few other ideas predominantly tailored more to the TikTok audience. Number one, jewelry. A lot of people are selling jewelry, especially on TikTok. TikTokers, TikTok e-boys, they really like jewelry, and a lot of 13, 14, 15-year-old girls really like the look of it, so more and more people are, getting these type of jewelry. And another option could have also been the Galaxy LED lights that pretty much everyone is running ads for, and LED lights in general are a big thing on TikTok, so that could have also been a great option to start selling and promoting via influencers, but that was not interesting enough for me. Last idea I had were AirPod knockoffs. I know, a super saturated product and pretty much everyone has sold it, but I thought maybe we could sell AirPods Pro, black, or in different colors, or maybe just different AirPods, because this is a completely different platform and, no one has been promoting it as much. I also saw a TikToker, a relatively big one, promote this from a different dropshipping company, I figure. I'll blend it in right now. And, it seemed interesting to me, but during the current situation, Amazon isn't delivering very quickly, and also the AirPods weren't really in stock, go figure. But that's why this also was limited. I think that could have been a cool option to start selling and promoting via TikTok, but no fast delivery during this time. So that left me with my last decision. What is another huge area which a lot of people are facing from during the current situation? Gyms are closed. That's right, the fitness niche. So I created a fitness niche store focused on the main dropshipping products, and I think the store turned out quite well. So I decided to pull up with this store featuring these four main products. Number one, the fitness bands that pretty much everyone is selling right now. Number two, resistance bands, so booty bands, whatever. Those are probably going to be our main seller, even though I would like to predominantly promote the previous product, but not a lot of Amazon Prime sellers, actually none at all. The last two products, a yoga mat, a favorite of our channel, obviously Yogurpy, the whole Fiverr series based around it. And the last product, a squat / Pilates bar. Seems like a cool product. Maybe a lot of people could be interested in that. So I created a super clean, nice looking store. It's Corona time as an actual headline type sentence up top at the actual store, because it is tailored towards a TikTok audience and it is a meme from TikTok. So you gotta adapt a little bit, make it a little bit more intriguing, a little bit more funny. And I think the store did turn out very, very well. Fitness.co, Finessed Fitness, another great name, I know. And I think it did turn out very, very well. By the way, you guys know it, I love giving away stores. I'm gonna give it away as well. All you guys have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also comment #TikTok down below, and you're entered in the giveaway, and I'll be giving away this awesome store, Fitness.co. But that aside, I think the store turned out very well. Looks like an already established brand, utilized some of the skills that I have acquired over the past. I think the winner will be very, very stoked with this store. Some might even consider me the Mr. Beast or Oprah of the e-com game. Always giving away stuff in there, here and there. But you guys give your love to me, I gotta give it back to you. Now, store is set up, we know our niche, we know our products. Now we gotta do a little bit of a dirty work and find tons of different influencers, TikTokers, and hit them up, slide into their DMs, and reach out to them in any shape or form if they have email, So that's gonna take some time, but I'll show you how I do that. So I went onto TikTok and looked for decent sized fitness TikTokers that had semi-viral videos in the past, blew up recently or have a decent amount of followers and gained good traction across their views. And I predominantly was looking for different hashtags such as home workout, workout from home, workout, etc. So anything tailored to the current situation. During quarantine, everyone wants to work out, stay fit. So I mainly messaged TikTokers that had or were ranking under that hashtag. But the thing is with TikTok, the key is that they have to have their Instagram connected to their actual profile, because there is no direct link in bio on TikTok yet, as there is like for YouTube or Instagram, and you can only link those two platforms, so YouTube and Instagram, to your TikTok. If I'm not wrong, I think they're working on integrating a link in bio, but I'm not sure when that is going to come, and that is going to be somewhat of a hurdle for us dropshippers right now, and that's probably a reason why not many dropshippers are experimenting with TikTok yet, as they do have to send them to their actual profile of Instagram. So it's going to be a lot more steps for the actual consumer from actually seeing the TikTok to being able to purchase it, and believe it or not, that's going to throw a lot of potential buyers off, and that's probably not going to send a lot of people to our store. So I don't really know if this is going to turn out well or if it's going to produce any results at all. That's just how it is. But TikTok has been an interesting platform. It's been growing super exponentially. So many users are on there per month, per day, especially during this time. And I thought if it works, we need to capitalize on this now. And I've been dying to give it a try for quite some time. And I thought I might as well share it with you guys. So if we don't get any sales or any good results, sorry, I'm disappointed as well. But eventually, I do believe TikTok will become very, very advertiser friendly. But right now, their main focus is growing the platform, and they want to put the user experience first. So now that we've got that out of the way, we now go ahead and slide into a ton of DMs through Instagram influencers and also to the emails. So we'll see how many respond, and hopefully we can manage a few deals till then and, maybe get a few sales. So now I'll go on a massive DM session, and I'll probably be back in a few days with hopefully some responses and that I can send out a few products to a few of these TikTokers, and I'll see you guys back then.
What's poppin'?
So we're back. I went hard into the DMs. I actually reached out to 40 to 50 different TikTok influencers via Instagram, via DM, also the TikTok DM. Crazy that that's even a thing, but it is. And yeah, not a very good response ratio. I think a total of 8 only responded. Some bigger ones, some smaller ones. They did all right, but not very good ratio. It was very hard to get in contact with them. Maybe some of them don't really take it seriously. Maybe they get too many inquiries. And out of all those 8, I only managed to secure a deal with 2 of them, one of them having close to 30K subs or followers, and the other one close to 70. On their Instagram, the 70K one has roughly 17K, the other one has 3K, so they're very, very small, and I don't really know if it's gonna work out, but I'm crossing my fingers for it. And the other ones, they were more so interested in this resistance band set, and I think that would have been my go-to seller since everyone's selling it right now, but I wanted to try it out via TikTok. But sadly, it's not available on Prime, so are a lot of different products, obviously, due to the current pandemic. Either these are new products that are coming into Amazon FBA, or they're just sold out and there's no supply coming in afterwards. And I could really only start selling these booty bands that have a lower profit margin, that are at a lower price point, and ideally, I would be working with different products, and I would send out the resistance band set to a lot more also male influencers, but we're only gonna be rolling with booty workouts or female influencers. We'll see how that turns out. And so I sent out the 3 band sets, so including every single band that I'm actually selling, to both these influencers, and hopefully they'll receive it in a quick time. It's, I think, 4 to 5 days right now with Amazon Prime, both situated in the US. I have high hopes, but that's also something that you should do if you decide to do like TikTok influencer dropshipping, more or less. Find a product that is also available on Amazon and send them out for them. Some people will do it for an additional fee. Some people are enough with just having the product, which wasn't my case. Both of them are fine with the product. They'll also be having the link in the bio for Instagram. So this video did take a lot of effort, a lot of time for them not only to respond, me to reach out to them, rate the store, and actually send them the products. That takes 4 to 5 days. It was a lot of effort, but nonetheless, I always put in a lot of work for you guys. Hopefully we get back with some good results, and let's see if this is a viable thing they could do. See you back in a bit. Oh, man, you guys are surely missing out. TikTok dropshipping is the way to go right now. Sales are coming in left, right, and center. It's crazy, it's insane. I can't believe what I'm seeing. Nah, just playing with you. We didn't do that well. Well, I mean, we didn't do terribly, but we accumulated 140 euros in orders, which is all right. It's a little bit over $152. I mean, the shoutouts did pay off, just to show you that it's legit. We're close to midnight. We got 3 orders today. Since this was the bigger promotion that we scheduled, only 76 visits, which isn't very good. The one from yesterday resulted in 0 sales, but 74 visits. But we'll move into calculation in just a second. So I mean, 140 euros isn't really astonishing in sales. That's $152, as I've mentioned a few times already, but it was more so a proof of concept. Sure, I think I could have done a better job finding out different influencers, but a lot of them didn't respond and the ad didn't go like super viral. And also now I found out that you can use a link in bio. It's just available for some accounts. It's not available for all. That's something that I didn't know previously, because the account that I was running the shout out through, and I actually found it. For me, you can't really see link in bio, which is weird, but I mean, that is good, I guess, since we can start utilizing TikTok promotions a lot more. And I do think the proof of concept did really succeed, and I do believe TikTok is very much an interesting source to look into. I definitely will continue testing out a lot bigger influencers with different products. I think if we would have had the resistance band set and sent it out to a few bigger influencers, I definitely think we could have racked in a lot more sales. But I do think nonetheless it was a semi-success. In total, we made 3 orders, which is all right, but I would have liked to add more. But the great thing is our average order value was pretty decent. It comes in at a total of 46 and 63 euros, which is definitely very decent considering we were predominantly promoting a product that was priced at 14.99. How did we do that? I increased the average order value by order breaks, order quantity breaks. So a lot of people at least took 2. I think everyone did take 2. They took the expedited shipping method that cost them 4.99, and actually surprisingly, one of them did cop the Pilates bar, which is priced at 34.99, and that's super surprising to me because I didn't really have an upsell in place. They must have, got onto that themselves, but I mean, I'm definitely not complaining. And so that accumulates a total very good average order value of 46.63, as I just mentioned, which really bumped up our profitability. So now let's talk about the actual profits. You guys know the drill. It's not as great as every guru makes it seem, but I like being transparent with you guys, and that's what you're getting. So 139 euros and 90 cents in sales is roughly $152.16. Now we have to subtract the following fees. Number 1, a domain costs at $15. Now we obviously have to subtract the product costs. Number 1, we have to subtract 6 booty bands that come in a total for $24.37, and the Pilates bar that comes in at a total price point of $16.05. That is also including shipping. A lot of gurus just tend to push away on the side since that is not relevant, but I mean, full transparency here. And also we did pay a total of $59.90 for the shoutouts, for the promotions. I mean, that's all right, considering the results that we got, and that puts us at a total profit count of, drumroll, $36.84. Yay! No, all jokes aside, it's all right. It's not great. I would have loved to produce better results for you guys, but it was more so, as I've already mentioned, a proof of concept type video. I do believe there's a lot of potential with TikTok. I've mentioned it a few times. Maybe trying to grow a brand through compilation channels could be good, or just rely and try and reach out to bigger influencers because they don't really know their worth yet. I know for my instance, I'm going to be retrying this on my own terms, setting up a better dropshipping store. Not that this one was bad. This one actually was pretty good. I just think if we had different products in place with bigger influencers, sadly the resistance band set wasn't available on Amazon. I think that one could have been a great seller through TikTok, but I think there is a lot of opportunities that should be taken with the fastest growing social media platform. Everyone's on it, everyone's chasing clout, and I'm definitely going to start utilizing it a lot more. Let me know if you guys are interested in more TikTok videos. If you guys want to hop on this trend yourself, I highly recommend it. I think it's a very interesting way to get a lot of money, a lot of profits if done correctly, if you have a right product in place that can appeal to a wide audience and fits with the influencer's audience. I mean, it's relatively general, but nonetheless, I do think there's a lot of money to be made at relatively low advertising costs, similar to early Instagram days. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Thank you guys for watching it. Remember, do enter the giveaway. And one last thing, this video is planned to go up live on Sunday, April the 19th, which by the way is my birthday, and I would greatly appreciate it if we could hit the 4K subs and maybe make this video blow up. That would really be a fantastic birthday present. By the way, guys, maybe we could increase our sub to non-sub ratio. It's very bad right now, 80 to 20%. Let's bump it up. Show some support to the Oprah of the e-com scene. No, I'm just kidding. But all jokes aside, very much appreciated. Keep the support flowing. Greatly appreciate it. Let's hit the 4K subs, and I'll see you guys with some new upcoming banging videos. Bye.